Hi there, so I'm creating this video to show a simple way to remove some duplicate items from a text file. This particular file has about 255 million lines in it, and there's around 3 million duplicates in there that need to be removed. So what we're doing is adding them to a Python set data structure, and then that will effectively remove all the duplicates. So I'm going to run this now, Python simple set, and while that runs we can have a look at the code here. Okay, so we import time, which is gives us access to the time functions, and then we just do some simple math here to calculate the amount of time it's going to take to run. And then so we're creating the X set, which will then pull in the file all.txt, which contains all 255 million items. And then we print off the starting time, and then we print off the count of the array. And that's about it. And so that'll tell us how many items are left in the end and how long it took to run. And this should be done in just a minute here. As we can see, this is now finished. It took 115 seconds for that to process, and the count of the items afterwards is about 253 million elements. So we removed about 2 million duplicate items, and I think that's pretty speedy. It's running on a machine with 8 cores and a fair bit of RAM and everything. That's about it. Thanks for watching.